What's up? What's going on? It's Amber Higgins coming at you live from Charleston, South Carolina. As you guys are hopping on, say hi, say hello. Let me know in the comments below where you guys are watching from. So my eyeballs are puffy because I spent probably the last hour and a half crying. If you follow me on Facebook or watch my stories on Instagram, you know why. But anyways, we're going to move past that. Let's just ignore the puffy eyes, okay? Like, this is just what happens when I'm very emotional. So anyways, say hi, say hello. It would make me super happy if you guys just dropped a hi in the comments below. That's literally all I ask you guys to do. If you guys would like to be entered into my weekly giveaway, I do a giveaway every single week. You guys can stay tuned to my stories for the winners of that. But all you have to do to be entered to win that, hey Heather, hey Randy, is to share the video. So hey Jenna, say hi, say hello, hey Jessica. There's a little arrow button at the bottom corner somewhere. If you're on TikTok, it's like right there. If you're on Facebook, it's like right there. It's the same spot everywhere. It's a little arrow. Just press that arrow, share it to your page, share it to a friend, and then whenever you're done, comment share. That's literally all you have to do to be entered to win. So I don't know about you guys. I like free stuff. If y'all like anything that's free, y'all can drop free in the comments below, because if it's free, it's for me. Anyways, hi Jenny, hey Eden, hey Marissa, say hi, say hello. Alright, so today I'm making a Big Mac salad. Anybody on here like love Big Macs? If you love a Big Mac, y'all can drop a me in the comments below. I'm a Big Mac fiend. If I'm gonna be totally honest, I would actually go for the nuggets first and then the Big Mac, but like we're focused on the Big Mac today, okay? Maybe we'll make homemade chicken nuggets. If you guys would like me to make some keto, low carb, healthy chicken nuggets from home, y'all can drop a 1 in the comments below, and if I get enough ones, I will do it, okay? Alright, so anyways, the first thing I'm going to do is I already have my meat right here, my beef. I'm going to make the dressing. So, like, this is the best part of the Big Mac is the Big Mac sauce. So that's what we're going to make. I'm going to start with a ½ cup of mayonnaise. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm from the South. Y'all let me know in the comments below where you guys are watching from, but I'm from the South, okay? And in the South, the only mayonnaise we use is Duke's. And if you use anything other than Duke's, you're just weird and you're disgusting, and we cannot be friends. I actually don't even need this. We're just gonna measure with our hearts today, okay? So the recipe is ½ cup of mayonnaise. You guys can let me know in the comments below what kind of mayonnaise you guys use. I like Duke's. It's the best. It's the only way to go. Like literally, I will unfriend you if you say anything other than Duke's. I'm just kidding. What's up from Tennessee? Hey, from Kentucky. You love watching me live. I love that you're on here, Megan. Thank you for that. Hey, Alina, what's up from Atlanta? Hi, Cynthia. Hey, Katie. Hey, Sean. Hey, Brad. Say hi. Say hello. Don't be shy, okay? And share the video for your chance to win. All right, so half a cup of mayonnaise, ½ teaspoon. Okay, I do need a measuring utensil for this. And don't judge my drawer. It's literally chaos, just like my brain. All right, 1 teaspoon. Hold on, ½ teaspoon, so we're gonna use half of this. All right, hi Nicole, what's up from Texas? Hey, Texas is one of my favorite places ever. All right, well this is not gonna work, but we're just gonna, it's like pouring over into the bowl, but it's fine, it's not a big deal. So we got a ½ cup or ½ teaspoon of smoked paprika. Hi Tira, hey Nicole, hi Erica, Duke's is amazing, I agree. Helmets all the way, ew, Ashley, you're weird. My favorite grocery store, they're all the same to me, but I really thoroughly enjoy shopping at Harris Teeter. I just like a nice, clean, chic grocery store. You know, Walmart is just like really just like, I go to Walmart all the time, so I can't even say shit about Walmart, but like Walmart needs to step up the game, okay? They need to step up the game. Are you Eric's sister? So here's the thing, Eric and B are brothers, and I am B's girlfriend. I've been with B for 12 years. So he is technically my brother-in-law, yes. Hi Missy, hi Aunt Ruth, hey Michelle, hey, what's going on, hi Nicole. Coming for dinner, lol, I'm starving, so we need to hurry this up. Why am I talking so much? I don't know. All right, 2 teaspoons of mustard. Guys, I don't really like mustard. But I like Big Mac sauce, so we're gonna add some mustard, okay? Do you guys like mustard, yes or no? Like, I had a friend growing up, well, she's not a friend anymore because she betrayed me like everyone seems to do. Anyways, I got some trauma, but anyways, I had a friend growing up who only ate mustard. Like, she didn't like ketchup, she didn't like mayonnaise, she only liked mustard. And I should have befriended her. I should have not befriended her. I should have defriended her from that second on, because that's a red flag. Anyways, moving right along. You know the funny part about it is she's probably watching this, and that's just so crazy to me. Mustard is disgusting. That's my girl. But she likes helmets. So like, I don't know. We're like half and half friends. I don't know. All right, so I got 2 tablespoons of mustard. And this recipe says got pickles in it. All right, so we got 1 and 2, which by the way, if you guys want this recipe, you guys can just drop the recipe in the comments below. You guys are gonna be so excited for this. Like if you guys are excited before I even announce anything, just drop an excited emoji, you know, the one with like the celebration one, drop that in the comments below. Because I'm telling you, y'all about to be really excited. I haven't launched this yet. The only people I've launched it to is to a couple people, like 200 people who commented on one of my recent Facebook posts. But all of my VIPs, which by the way, if you're a VIP, you guys can drop VIP in the comments below so I can shout you out. I love my VIPs. You are incredible. So I haven't released this to anybody yet, except for you guys and my VIPs. So y'all are like super special. But I created my own website. Oh my God, it's like so crazy to say that. But I created my own website with tons of my cheat sheets, meal plans, recipes, workouts, literally everything that helped me to really kickstart and really excel in my fat loss journey and help me lose 30 pounds of fat in 3 months is in this website, and the website's completely free. So like, I know earlier a bunch of y'all dropped free because y'all like free stuff, which by the way, if you shared the video, because that's another way to get something for free, you get entered to win my giveaway. So if you haven't shared the video, share the video, little arrow, click the arrow, share it to your friends, comment, share whenever you're done. But if you guys would like access to my website, y'all can just drop recipes in the comments below. I'm currently working on it, so like it's not completely done, but I'm opening up to you guys because I can't shut up about it. I'm just so excited about it. So if you guys want my website, it's completely free. Just drop recipes in the comments below. I got you. All right, so this is my Big Mac sauce. It's looking a little suspicious if I'm being totally honest. Jari, hey, what's up, Brittany? Say hi, say hello. Hi, Elaine. Hey, Gabriella. Hi, Leah. Hey, gorgeous. All right, now listen, if you're on TikTok, I'm sorry, but I need you to go find me on Instagram or Facebook because TikTok will not let me message you. TikTok literally has me permanently banned forever in sending messages on TikTok. So I'm not gonna be able to send you my website if you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook. The link is in my profile for both of those. And message me the word recipes. I'll know what you're talking about and I'll shoot you the website super quick. So y'all on TikTok, you can't just drop a recipe, you gotta go find me on Instagram. The link is in my profile and message me the word recipes. But if you're on Facebook, just drop recipes. I got you. Okay, now if you want fast access, you gotta shoot me a message with the word recipes. All right, that's the way to get the quickest access. Hi, Amy Foster, how are you? Hi, Alyssa, say hi, say hello. Y'all let me know in the comments below where you guys are watching from. Let's taste this, should we? Ooh, that is delicioso. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Whoa, that was a lot bit more. Oopsie. Oops. Let's hope it doesn't make it too smoked. I don't know, but this is literally tasting so good. All right, so I think we're ready to make our Big Mac salad. We got our saucy sauce. Oh, it requires powdered erythritol. I don't think it needs that. And then 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. I don't know why, because it tastes great already, but here we go. Whatever. We follow the instructions over here. I got you guys. Hi, Silene. Is it Silene? That's so unique. Which, by the way, if you guys are new to watch me, I see a lot of new faces on here. If you guys are new, drop new in the comments below so I can say hi to you and welcome you to my page. And if you're watching this and you're not already following me, you should tap my face and click the follow button. If you're on Facebook specifically, there's 3 dots. Click those 3 dots, click follow and see first. Sometimes Facebook likes to hide me. For some reason, they don't like me. They just like really like to dim my shine, but I'm always here, okay? So, hi Bailey, welcome to my page, babe. What's up from California? Hey. I made this the other night and it's bomb. It's literally so good, and if you make it, you gotta let me know how you like it, okay? It tastes literally like a Big Mac without the bun, and it's so good, and it's so healthy, and it's super low carb. So, you guys gotta let me know how you like it, okay? Anyways, moving right along. Hi Kayla, hey Melissa, what's up Erica? All right, so I've got some lettuce. We got some shredded iceberg lettuce. Elaine sent me a text. Elaine, do you have my right? Oh my God, I almost put that in the sauce. Oh my God. Queen Boss Smiler, hey, this is a Big Mac salad. What am I burping? I haven't eaten in like a really long time. Elaine, do you have the right number? Because I had to get a new number, so I don't know if you have the right number. So if you want to shoot me a message over here, Elaine, and then I'll shoot you my phone number, we can to make sure you have the right number. But yeah, anyways. All right, so we've got our iceberg lettuce. We're going to put a little bit of meat on here. I like a lot of meat. I I like a lot of meat. That's what she said. All right. Anyways. And then we're gonna do a little bit of onions, which I hate touching onions because they freaking stink. Do you guys like onions? If y'all like onions, drop onions in the comments below. I mean, I like them, but I really don't like my breath to stink. And I really don't like my fingers to stink either. But I guess we just have to deal with it sometimes. You know what I mean? All the protein. LOL. I love it. I love onions too, but man, they make your breath stink. I seen some girl on TikTok literally had chopped up onions and then she literally had, okay, for those of you who like onions, would you ever do this? Yes or no? Y'all gotta let me know in the comments below. She had a cup full of chopped onions and like onion juice. She had a freaking straw in the cup drinking the onion juice. Like, bro, I know your breath is so bad. I know your breath is kicking. Okay. Anyways, I got a couple of tomatoes too. Wendy says no, never. Yeah, I'm gonna absolutely pass on that. You could not even pay me $1 million to do that. I feel like your breath is forever gonna be stank like onions, and I just absolutely am not okay with that. All right, Riley wants some lettuce, baby. There you go. Thanks for being a good girl. Thanks for being a good girl. All right, so now I got some cheddar cheese that we're gonna throw on top. Not a lot of cheese, okay? You guys can use whatever cheese you want. The recipe on my website calls for cheddar cheese, but you guys can use whatever you want, okay? Wet your hands with water and soap and then rub them on your stainless sink. Promise they won't stink. What? Interesting. I literally never knew that. Wow, you learn something new every day. I don't know why the hell I have sweet relish out, but I think I thought it was a part of the recipe, but is it? Why did I get the relish out? Why did I even buy relish? That's suspicious. It's supposed to help with the flu. I don't give a crap what it's supposed to help with, because it's gonna cause a whole nother problem, aka halitosis. All right? Do you guys know what halitosis is? Halitosis is the medical term for something. I'm gonna see if you guys know what halitosis means. Y'all let me know. All right, so we've got lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, onions, ground beef. Oh, I can't forget the pickles. The pickles are like the best part. You know what I mean? Do you guys like pickles? Yes or no? Pickles. If you guys like pickles, drop pickles in the comments below. So I'm just using hamburger dill chip pickles, and I'm just gonna spread it out and make it look pretty. I really love pickles. Like, I will just straight up eat pickles just for fun, because I just like them. They're a great little snack too. Halitosis means stank breath. She actually said bad breath. I just switched her words to stank breath because I think it's funnier. On a taco salad, no, we're making, have you guys, seriously, y'all don't know what a Big Mac is? Wait, hold on, the caption of the TikTok does not say Big Mac salad, so that's probably why you're confused. But this is like a Big Mac from freaking McDonald's, okay? We're making a Big Mac salad, my dudes. All right, so now we're gonna try and make this pretty. It's probably not gonna be pretty, but I'm gonna try. I like to make it look aesthetically pleasing. That's not cute, but it's okay. You know what? Whatever. I just like a lot of sauce. Pour on the sauce. All right, and now I need a fork. Should I eat this with a fork or a spoon? I'm not really sure. And why are all my silverwares always dirty? It's so annoying. All my silverware. All right, baby girl. Move back away. Pretty work coming through. How did you make the dressing? So if you guys want the recipe, you guys can just drop the recipe in the comments below. If you also want access to, that just like really freaks me out. Barbara Caraway is on here. I've never seen anybody with the name Caraway before until I met B. Caraway. Anyways, I don't know that he has a Barbara in his family. So hi, Barbara. You're probably a long-lost cousin or a long-lost aunt or something or another. We don't know. But I'm excited to get to know you. So hi, Katie. Hi, Sarah. Say hi. Say hello. If you guys want the recipe, you guys can just drop a recipe in the comments below. Or if you want access to my website with all of my favorite recipes, cheat sheets, meal plans, workouts, everything, just go ahead and drop a recipe in the comments below and I'll shoot you over my website. Now, if you're on TikTok, what I need you to do, because TikTok has me permanently banned. Permanently banned. I can't send messages forever and ever and ever unless I make a new TikTok, and we're not doing that, okay? So I cannot message you on TikTok, so what I need you to do is I need you to go follow me on Instagram. The link is in my profile, okay? So you head up the live, click my name, tap the link, scroll down to where it says follow me on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram and message me the word recipe. I'll know what you're talking about, okay? Alrighty, let's see how this tastes, the final result. What the hell? Everything keeps falling off. Ready? I hate eating on live video. Y'all just be judging the way I chew, and I can't stand a smacker. That's like one of my pet peeves. Who's with me? Like, I don't like smacking. Oh my god. Yeah. Riley, this is so good. You're gonna want some of this, sister. Ooh, yeah, this is delicious. Alright, guys. I cannot wait to destroy this. So, if you haven't already shared the video, make sure you guys share the video, comment, share whenever you're done. I feel like I got stuff all in my teeth now. Hold on, let me drink some water. Hold on. Hey, Christina. Hi, Christy. Hi, Casey. Do you do keto or low carb? By the way, you're so pretty. Thank you. I appreciate that. I do keto and low carb. So yeah, if you guys are looking to start a healthy journey, I'm your girl to follow. And again, my website's going to be super helpful for all of you guys. So make sure you guys drop a recipe in the comments below. But I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight. And yeah, share the video for me. Bradley is done with my shit. I want some big marks. If you stop barking, I'll give you some. All right, y'all. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good night, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, you guys.